nice and early, Eric. Ooh. Mechanicals! Eric's eager to get his repair done. Come on, sleepyheads. You should be full of energy after charging up all night. Let's get Eric's repairs done so he can get going. I don't know what's wrong with them today. Huh? Whoa, you're right, Eric. Their charging bay was unplugged overnight. No wonder they're so run down. Come on, sleepy mechanicals. Time for a charge up. Oh, checkmate. Yay! Okay, mechanicals, you're all fully powered. So, let's get the job done. Finished, Eric. We'll see you soon back here at Gecko's garage.